Hey guys, we're playing Avalanche today. Okay. I'm gonna be trying to beat this and being able to do it. But it's one of these. You've got to use your dash on this race, don't worry. It's like if you use your dash, you can go through stuff, plus you can get to it faster. Anyway, so I'm just right now trying to get back to the village because it's really hard. Yeah, really far. One of the best weapons here is a spiked club. It's quite a lot of damage even if you don't upgrade it. It's quite easy to get. The thing with them vines that slow you down, we dash through them and they won't take us long to go through. These guys are so sure. There's a lot of different tactics, but there's some very simple ones. Some good weapons in early stages are like the books. Try to use the pots because they'll do a lot of damage on weakening them. What you want to do with the crocodiles is you want to dash out of the way as soon as they start attacking, because then they're going to have to move it. So you're taking less damage. Also, on these, if you'd go back, you'd have to deal with them again, which is quite annoying. Pretty sure you can teleport. Might have a look. To the homes. You can teleport to moving stations. That's why. See, the good thing about the spiked club is it does a high amount of damage and has good range and is quite fast. It's not as fast as the other weapons, but it's pretty fast. So as you saw there, the crocodiles are pretty easy to get used to doing it. So what you want to get is at the base, I'll show you, and there's this guy and he'll sell you some stuff and it'll upgrade your power, but you can also get slots back there. Might try to teleport. So it's these, and they give you some stuff. You're not allowed to equip two at the same time. Yes. There's lots of different ones that are better to use. I even know know if you can teleport. You should try and get gold, because gold is a very powerful thing too. Gold can do over like 100 damage. Gold. So the thing about the pots is you don't have to get close to the enemies to get like a lot of damage, because the bows are really good that you don't have to go close to the enemies with. So, in the early stages you want to use the ruby staff. She does a lot of damage against them, but the spike club is definitely a thing you need to use. So if you enter in that, you should have 2 of these angels in a row. Yeah. The bad thing about this stage is it's quite annoying, because it's actual like you. So they've got lots of annoying weapons. Crossbow guy is worse than the guy who's there, because each one does 1 damage. And back there they do 3, but they only shoot like 2. He shoots a bunch, so you can take a lot more damage. Be careful if you're holding the fan, but you can't dash. As I was saying, the spike club is good for these stages because it one-shots a lot of the annoying ones. And usually you have to 2-shot all the like super ones. Right now. Do that. You don't want them to be too close, or you will take quite a lot of damage. Because things can get too faster. I'm pretty sure you can teleport. Leave a comment down below. Just tell me if you can teleport. My new save because I'm playing on pads and PC. It got confused, so I lost my old save, but I'm actually ahead of my old save now. Everywhere you go that's like a town, you want to go there because you'll have fountain and a lot of good stuff. See, it's good here because the slimes just get 1 shot. Look at that. And the butterflies, which are kind of annoying when you've got bad weapons. Ruby stuff, I upgraded it to 5 because it's really good. But you want to upgrade I don't know how to pronounce its name, but this one's, it's just super powered. I must upgrade my bank, because usually, every time you get a bank, your bank can store more in it. Yeah, a lot of this stuff with the dark seal is very powerful. There's a boomerang that is more powerful than the spiked club. So powerful. Is the boomerang more powerful? But you can upgrade it, so think could be really fast. Yeah, plus it's faster. And it comes back, so you'll do 200 damage to one thing, you know. Need it. Yes, level 5. These two are good, especially Totem of Flame, because it burns them. It's really good. Gold is quite helpful to use. So this is the guy I'm talking about. Every time you go to a different village, you'll get like better trades. Like I can get extra slots and stuff. The one I don't really recommend is Blood Exchange, because it's not that good, because you can't like drink the potion and you get it back. It's really annoying. But a good thing is the blue ribbon, because that gives you a couple extra hearts. When you come to this guy, usually you don't have much because it's quite hard to find this stuff. But you will find it in your inventory. If you've just started the game, you won't have much of this stuff because it's quite hard to get. Wow. This one is quite powerful because the ruby staff is my most powerful wand. Now I found this is more powerful and looks sick. I know it do double damage, which is 120 some damage, which is quite long. It's pretty cheap. This guy is where you'll get the Totem of Flame, the Rusty Fall. If you have a Rusty Fall and some slime balls, some pink slime balls, isn't it working? You will be able to get the Slimy Fall, which is very powerful. And yeah. Anyway, can you teleport? Is what something I'm waiting for? I don't know. Oops. The bombs you'll find here. Wait a sec.